Hi, I'm Sórcha,
Hi, I'm Mikayla and we work at the Ekko shop in Upper Hutt.
and today we're going to walk you through how to recycle with us.
First up we have the milk bottle lids and the bread tags. They all have to be colour coordinated and they do all have to be milk lids, so none of these ones here like fizzy tops, and we do not accept dirty ones, for example this. And we also accept can tabs and wine lids. They also have to be clean and they just go in the can tabs for kidney and kids. And then we have prescription glasses. They just need to be usable and in good condition so we can recycle them here. We also have the yogurt pouches that we can recycle. Once again, they do have to be clean in order to recycle them, and they just go down here. Also do other plastic lids, for example the fizzy drink ones and the dishwashing tops, as long as it's a recyclable 1 and 2. However, we don't accept the Tetra Pak lids. We also do lotion bottles, so we can recycle these as long as they're empty and they're also cleaned out too, and that one just goes in the bottom there. We can recycle your coffee pods as well, but again they have to be clean in order to recycle them, otherwise they end up mixing with other materials and we just can't have that. Cool, and in the top here we also have pens and only Gillette razors that we can recycle. And we can also recycle used mascara wands for the wildlife, like this cute guy here.
We understand that the community is disappointed following the City Council's decision to decline curbside recycling, and so we offer this facility to you for free, but we really need you to respect the facility that we're providing for you. It's just not acceptable for you to be dumping the wrong types of recycling and dirty recycling when there are signs indicating which products can be recycled and where, and we're constantly telling you to keep them clean. So unfortunately this is your last warning to the community. If this behaviour continues, we're going to have to lock all the filing cabinets and you're going to have to come in and see staff before recycling, just because we are really trying to keep these things out of the landfill, but we can't keep continuing the way we are. So from the Ekko shop, we're asking the Upper Hutt community to recycle with us properly so we can continue saving the planet one bit at a time. Thanks guys.